She just hit him.
Come on! No!
Do you hear her?
No. Come on! No!
Do you hear her?
Come on!
They're worse. You think they were like close in age.
Come on! Hillbilly?
Huh?
Come on! Come on! Come on!
Hey, smile for Auntie. Can you give Auntie a smile? We know you got a handsome smile. Move. Smile. No. Why not?
Smile. Come here.
Stop, Jonathan. Which
Come
guy?
on.
Talking about Alyssa? Yeah, just wait till you have that little boy. She's going to be bored.